StayinFront Insight Warehouse gathers the results generated by the StayinFront sales analysis tools, including the actual execution by the sales rep in store, and the image recognition data, all together in one warehouse, which then feeds the Insight Data Warehouse.
Head Office will have faster access to business intelligence, including the inputs and results of their strategy, which can be adjusted quickly if required. For the first time, the company will have easy access to cross-link data from POS, field activity, image recognition and artificial intelligence tools, giving a new view of retail performance that hasn't been available until now.
StayinFront Insight Warehouse feeds the results back into the sales analysis process, creating a larger and richer data set, which drives better AI decision making and further optimization of the process.